corner, I have a surprise box, which I don't know what is it inside. So, let's unboxing. Excited, pero hindi ko alam kung ano to. Oh my God, what's this? Is this for me? Or is this for someone? Let's see how. Hopefully, this is microphone. Microphone 350, no? The one I want. Let's see how. Ni hao. Wow, very fragile. Alam nyo sa unboxing, ayoko na naggaganito eh. Impatient ako pag ganito. Yan na, almost. Wait lang, malapit na. Wow, very strict. Excited na ako. Ano kaya laman nito? Sana isa itong ano. Sana isa itong microphone. Microphone ba? Tignan natin. Woo! Ayan na! Close your eyes. Wow! Ano to? What's this? Rice cooker? What's this? This is shabu-shabu. Tama? This is for shabu-shabu. This is for like, you know, like, what's this? I don't know. Electric pot. So what can cook here? How to use this? Alam ko, hindi ako mahilig steamer. Steamer. And then, I can cook for eating. So, this is it. This is a gift from Shopee. I don't know. Because I am a frequent buyer. So, this is a gift from Shopee. My points. Steamer and electric pan. Thank you, Shopee.